So someone asked me, between the Boerboel and the German Shepherd dog, which should I go for as a first time dog owner? And then I said, okay, I'll give a video. I'll respond to that in a video. You see, like I always advise you, I always tell you that before you get a dog, keep beauty aside. Keep appearance aside. Bring out the reason why you need a dog. Is it for security? Is it for companion? Is it for protection? Is it for guarding? Put them down. Now, look out for the top guard dogs, or look out if that breed fits into any of these things you're looking out for. If yes, you do proper research. Why was this dog bred? What is this breed good at? Can they fit into this thing I want them for? What are the challenges that comes with this breed? You read up on these things and find out more. That's what a lot of people fail to do, and they get overwhelmed. Now, as a first-time dog owner, to cut the story short, just go for the GSD because they are more forgiving. For the Boerboel, yes, they are good guard dogs. They can do protection. But then, a lot of these breeders now have followed the trend, thereby pushing away some of those enviable characters that people love the breed for, that this breed once had. And what a lot of them are going for now is size. So you end up seeing so many lazy, drawling Boerboels who lacks the ability to walk. That's what we get, most of them now. Whereas for the German Shepherd, the same thing happened. Because of the high demand, a lot of puppy millers, a lot of dog mills and peddlers came in, started breeding indiscriminately, breeding anyhow, hitting and jamming rubbish dogs and selling to the market because of the high demand. And we have a lot of useless German Shepherd dogs now. But then, because you want to get one for yourself and you're a follower of logarithms, you need to be very specific when making your demand. I need a German Shepherd dog, one that will be good for security. I don't need a dog with rubbish temperament, bad nerve, nonsense drive. These things must be in check. I need them for security, or I need them for companion. But at the same time, they should be very good security dogs. Do you have them? They say yes. Which of the lines? Show lines or walking lines? Because both the show lines and walking lines can do these things you want. And both the show lines and walking lines can have very bad temperament, character, and so on. So you need to be sure that the one you're getting from that breeder has these things. You test. The same thing goes to this. What's the parents like? What are they like? I like to see the parents. I need this, I need this, I need this, I need this, because this is what I need this dog for. Put your demand. And if they do, if they have it, they can send to you. If they don't, you look out for the next person. But as a first-time dog owner, I would not suggest you go for the Boerboel. Because apart from the fact that they are not for weak owners, they are not ideal for first-time dog owners, they eat a lot. They are very voracious when it comes to feeding. If you're going to be taking one bag of kibbles to feed the GSD, if in a month, you're going to be spending at least 2 or 3 on the Boerboel in 1 month. So they eat a lot. For the GSD, they don't eat so much. So it is very easy for you to feed and take care of them. Except you're going for the long coat that would need grooming. Yeah, it will now require extra effort. But when it comes to companion, this one is a better companion. When it comes to alert, security, this one is going to be a better option. This one may be good for guard because they can be very territorial. So But as a first time dog owner, you don't need much of this because you're not going for heavy duty jobs or assignments. So the German Shepherd dog is going to be your best pick anytime, any day, anywhere. In fact, they are one of the best dog breeds in the whole wide world. Now, look out for this and thank me later. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there.